So now let's see how we can work around with the adjusting of shadows and highlights inside of guided edit mode. So over here you can see that I have this particular working area right here. I'm in expert mode and I'm going to go around under the guided edit mode right here. So once I do that, over here you can see that adjust shadows and highlights is an option. So let me just go around and click, and the guided edit mode for adjust shadows and highlight opens up. So over here it says bring out a hidden detail in the darkest and lightest area. So I'm just going to go around and click on next to get started. So if I were to go around under project assets, I don't have anything. So I'm just going to go around under the add media section right here. So it's not there. So let's just go back right here, go on to add media, and then go to files and folders right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, this particular footage right here and click on open. And here I have a footage. So it says drag and drop your media onto video track 1. So I'm just going to go around and do the same right here. Once I do that, it says click on effects. So let's just go around and click on effects. And over here, you can see shadows and highlights is an option. So now I need to go around and click and drag out the effect onto this particular video clip right here. So it says uncheck auto amounts. So you can see that right now it is analyzing itself, and then it is applying out the shadows and highlights. So I need to go around and disable this. And now it says move the slider, shadow and highlights. So shadow controls out the darker areas right here, just like this. So you can go around and move this out to control out the darker areas, as you can see, while highlights control out the brighter areas right here, as you can see. So you can go around and turn down the brighter areas, and with the shadows you can increase out the darker areas, just like this. And that is what you have. You can go around and click on next right here, and you can toggle the I button right here to turn it off and on and see the before and after, as you can see. And as I go around and click on next, you can see that the shadows and highlights has been applied by using the guided edit mode. So that is how you can utilize the guided edit mode and work around with shadows and highlights inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.